Hi, this is Rob from MEDIAL. I'm going to show you a demo of our closed captions feature today. And I'm going to run through this from both the point of view of an administrator permissioning out the ability to do captions, and also from an end user perspective, requesting captions and editing captions. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the captioning style, and I'm going to show you how the permissions work for captions. So in here, we have the ability to create what we call a captions profile. So you'll see there's some profiles that are already created here, and these are based largely around languages, but you can do this around kind of faculties and whichever way you want to dish this out to people, you can do that. So if I go to create a new profile, you'll see here you have a profile name, a kind of a vendor that is used for the captions. At the moment, we only use one particular vendor, and then a turnaround time and a language. So let's take the example of a particular faculty that you might want to give these to. So we're going to put in here faculty of life sciences. So this would give us the ability to request captions to anybody within that faculty, and then we could specify a language that they could use and a turnaround time for those captions, and also whether you'd want those captions to be approved before they were actually processed through the captioning system. So we'll save that profile. Then what we can do once we've created a profile, or we have some profiles that already exist, we can go into this permissionings area here and give a captions profile to a particular user or a group of users. So here I'm going to select the UK English captions profile, and then I'm going to find a particular user and give that user the ability to create captions. So here we've just searched for Rob, we found this particular user, and we want to give them the ability to request the captions. We just literally find them, check their name, and drag them across here. We'll see here as well, we have set groups within MEDIAL that are for LTI instructors and LTI students. If you give the ability to request captions to those particular groups, that would mean that anyone that uses Blackboard, Canvas, or Moodle, whichever one LMS system you use, would have the ability to request captions in that way. So it's kind of like an overarching group that anyone within that group would be able to request those captions. So now that we've given the ability to request captions to an end user, which in this case was Rob, we're now going to come in as Rob in MEDIAL, and we're going to request some captions. So if we log in as Rob, and we go to upload some media. So this same process is also available in Canvas, Moodle, and Blackboard through a kind of upload wizard there, but I'm showing this in MEDIAL itself. So we go to upload a video. So I'm going to upload a talk that I did on supply and demand within economics. So here we are on the associated files tab, and this is the bit where we have the ability to upload or request captions. So uploading captions is something that's been in our software for a long time. Now we have the ability to request captions through a captioning service, which in our case is a voice-based service. So if we click request captions, the Rob user we know has the ability to create UK captions there. There was also a whole load of other stuff here that this particular user has access to, but we'll go with this UK English and click confirm. That then goes up to the captioning service for the captions to be created, and then those are sent back to MEDIAL once they're ready. So here we are, our captions have been requested and done, and now what we want to do is we want to edit those captions. So here we can see my supply and demand lesson that I requested the captions for. If we click on edit and we go to the associated files tab within MEDIAL, and then we click on this little pen icon here, we have the ability to edit these captions. So we can play the video, listen to the audio, and what it does is it steps through each bit of speech that there was by highlighting it, and then we can change anything that there was a particular error that was within this clip, we can change it. So as a small example here, we might be able to go to this bit of text here where I'm introducing myself, and it says, hello everyone, my name's Rob Thomas. And just very quickly change this to Robert Thomas, because I know that I said Robert instead of Rob, and click continue. And all of the other things that are here are largely correct, so I don't think I need to make any more edits there. So I just click on Finish. So here we are back now in MEDIAL, and we'll see the captions overlaid over the video, and we can see the change that we made there by changing Rob to Robert has been reflected in the player. So to recap, the functionality of this captions feature is basically that you can permission the captions by basis of the profile, and that can be on a user basis or a group basis. Once the captions have been requested, that particular user can edit them, and those edits are reflected in the player that's within MEDIAL. So thanks everyone for watching. If there's any questions at all on this feature, you can email support@medial.com or check out our website at medial.com as well. Thanks for watching everyone.